So if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, send a message right here, then this is the default style that is there. So let's say, for example, if I were to type this in, then this default style will be used. But let's say you want to go ahead and change the chat style. In that case, you can go around onto tools and then you can go around onto settings right here. And then over here under styling, you can simply go around and choose bubbles, let's say, for example, or dark right here, or paper sheets right here, or simple, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and select this, and over here, if I were to go around, you can see that it is quite simple. But let me just go around over here and select bubbles right here, and then you'll start seeing bubbles. So let's just close this and open up chat once more right here, just like this. So let's say this is the styling that you want right here. You can choose a variant that you like as well, just like this. And let me just go around and close this out and open it up again. So let's just go around onto this particular person right here and say hello, let's say, for example, and you can see the bubble right there, the chat style right here, just like this. For this one, let me just go ahead and close it and open it. And then now if I were to go around and type it in, then you can see the bubble right there, the chat style that you actually chose, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the chat styling inside of Thunderbird as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.